Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in blockchain.com wallet app. So if you want to do that, simply go ahead and follow through these steps. Open up your blockchain application from your app drawer and then make sure that you're inside your main homepage after logging in. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the profile icon at the top left-hand corner. From the interface, select the themes option under preferences. Select the dark option from the theme tab, and soon after you tap on dark, you'll be able to turn on dark mode on your blockchain.com wallet app. That is how you can easily enable dark mode on blockchain wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.